exquisite exterior surrounded by nature. Tucked away in the charming hills of Loulé, Portugal, Casa Alfeição boasts a remarkable facade that seamlessly integrates with its stunning environment. Crafted by the skilled architects at Studio Arte Architecture and Design, this residence, finalized in 2024, encapsulates the very spirit of the Algarve's allure. Its refined lines and organic materials radiate a sense of sophistication, effortlessly merging with the natural landscape. The design allows for abundant natural light and breathtaking vistas from various perspectives. Spacious terraces stretch towards the distant horizon, promoting an outdoor lifestyle. This architectural magnificence serves as a fitting prelude to the interiors. A cohesive interior expedition. Upon entry, visitors are welcomed into a calm living area that exemplifies modern design mingled with traditional Portuguese touches. Featuring lofty, arched ceilings along with a warm color palette, the area feels expansive while still cozy. A generous gray sectional invites repose, enhanced by artisanal decorations from Studio Arte. Flanking the living area, a chic dining space presents a long wooden table, accommodating both intimate dinners and spirited get-togethers. Here, the soft illumination from pendant fixtures enriches the inviting atmosphere, highlighting a delightful equilibrium between modern aesthetics and coziness. The flow from the indoor space to the outdoor terrace is effortless, further dissolving the boundaries between inside and out. The dining section on the terrace fully exploits the mesmerizing views. A length dining table under a shaded covering beckons outdoor meals with companions and kin, framed by the scenic Algarve backdrop. Private sanctuaries, sleeping quarters, and lavatories. The master sleeping quarters exude serenity, featuring a muted color palette and organic textures. A streamlined design encourages unwinding, while strategically positioned windows reveal captivating views. Attached, the master lavatory radiates sophistication and simplicity, boasting a striking green wall and contemporary fittings. Another inviting sleeping space displays cozy furnishings, providing an equally tranquil retreat for visitors. Its soft-hued decor complements the natural details scattered throughout the home. The lavatories carry on with a thematic blend of contemporary and classical styles, showcasing unique details such as freestanding tubs and handcrafted tiles. Each area narrates a tale, underscoring the careful planning invested in Casa Alfeição. As one ventures more outside, the highlight is unquestionably the swimming pool zone. Encircled by vibrant landscaping and shaded lounging spots, it presents an ideal escape. The outdoor cooking area is designed for hosting, elevating the experience of basking in Algarve sun. Casa Alfeição is a testament to thoughtful collaboration among architects, designers, and homeowners. In a world list where architecture can seem uninviting, Casa Alfeição radiates warmth, elegance, and a bond with nature, establishing itself as a true treasure in Loulé.